Are you looking for the best arc welding kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best arc welding kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the MagSquare 600 Welding Square Clamp Holder. The MagSquare 600 is a versatile and efficient welding and fabrication tool, featuring a 607-pound strong holding force and true on-off capabilities for easy and precise positioning. With multiplane magnetic grip on 5 sides, this square can hold flat and round steel, level sheets, to stack capability, and be mounted anywhere with no limitations like clamps. Additionally, it features pre-tapped holes on all sides for mounting tools, jigs, and fixtures, making it a must-have for any welding table or cart. Up next in the 4th place is the AZZUNO Handheld Welding Machine Arc Welder Kit. The AZZUNO Handheld Welding Machine Arc Welder Kit is a compact and portable welding machine weighing only 3 pounds that comes with a toolbox, ground clamp, welding gloves, folding welding helmet, welding brush, and welding rods. It is easy to operate and suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and other metal materials. The IGBT inverter technology provides stable current and energy saving, while the built-in intelligent chip ensures efficient heat dissipation and safe operation. The 3rd product on our list is the Lasman O-Ring Repair Kit for Ultra 390, 395, 495, 595. The Lasman O-Ring Repair Kit for Ultra 390, 395, 495, 595 is a durable and easy-to-use pump repair kit made of iron sheets and rubber. The seal rings and machine parts ensure long-lasting performance. This kit is a perfect replacement for Ultra 390, 395, 490, 495, and 595 models. With its complete seal rings, you can easily rebuild your sprayer. The compact size of this kit makes it convenient to carry and store, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. This Lasman O-Ring Repair Kit provides all the necessary components for a successful sprayer repair. Second on our list is the US Forge 814 Welding Kit. The US Forge Welding Kit is a high-quality arc welding kit that is perfect for both beginners and professionals, with a package weight of 3.2 pounds. This lightweight kit is easy to carry and transport to any welding job. The model number 814 ensures that you are getting a reliable and durable product. The package dimensions of 34.798 liters x 22.352 h x 25.654 w make it compact and convenient for storage. Made in the United States, this welding kit guarantees top-notch quality and performance, whether you are working on small welding projects or large-scale welding jobs. The US Forge Welding Kit will provide you with the tools and equipment you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively. Finally, the top product on our list is the Miller Electric Drive Roll Kit for Arc Welding Power Source. This drive roll kit is designed for use with an arc welding power source. It is a must-have for any welder looking to improve their welding performance. This kit is easy to install and provides precise and consistent wire feeding, ensuring that your welds are of the highest quality. It is a great addition to any welding setup. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.